port whilst our engineering team works to address the mechanical issue. The ship, of course, remains safe, but we will unfortunately be cancelling.
As such, we'll be offering for airline to arrange
Ayan na. So, balik na kami sa room. Sinara na yung mga pools. All the kids are down. Hindi namin to na-try. Okay, so now we're gonna pack back. Tingnan nyo naman yung ginawa ko, guys. Sinampay ko lahat. Okay, so ganito ng kagulo.
we will be offering you a prearranged complimentary hotel room this evening.
Ang daming umiyak na bota, naiyak din daw.
Hotel
Buti
change
pa si Andres.
and up to $500 per stateroom for other incidentals.
Ayun, 500 pa.
We
Separate.
ask
Kahabol kami ng Pixie Dust, guys. Bakit ang batang makasalubong namin? Thank you so much! Yes, sobrang daming kids na umiiyak. Pero kahit get burger from Ohana Grill. Lahat papunta na. There's our dada. So, naglilipot na lang kami sa 17. Ayaw niya mag-nap. So, yan na siya. Sinara na nila. The pizza. It's now 6 o'clock. Kumain kami ng burger. Kumakain na naman kami.
The chaos inside the guest services area here in Deck 6.
Guys, we just got the letter. We're staying at Swiss Hotel. Pero guys, anong oras na? 1:23 a.m. na. Birthday ni Andres today. And we have
1:30 na ng madaling araw. Ngayon pala kami magde-disembark. Almost 12 hours of waiting. Ang lala.
34. Mabilis naman kami naka-December. Hindi ko walang pila-pilang nangyari. In here, sakay kami ng bus. I know my baby. I know. We just wait. Malapit na. Okay, so naka-check-in na kami. Ayoko na ang dami nakikipagtalo dun sa hotel kanina. Pero bakit pa ba sila nakikipagtalo? Si May, bakit? Si May, ano sila? Rin kami. So, binigyan nila yung Swiss Hotel. Happy birthday!